don't get the segment number wrong, obviously. It's that easy, bro. Okay, so we weren't searching for that. We want to track down all these pixmap frees. Okay, that's all of them. All right, that's not so bad. All right, let's return to this. So we're getting a new shared memory segment. Yeah, and the thing is, okay, so we got IPC private. It's going to be that big. IPC create. Yeah, sure. It's fine. Okay. Couldn't get shared memory segment, I guess. And then we'll go to free pixmap. Do I have to release this? The data structure associated with it is initialized as follows. That makes me nervous. How do I get rid of it? That makes me nervous. I don't think I can get rid of it. Okay, then we want to do, this is local ID. Also, if we fail, yeah, if we fail, I want to go -1, shared memory ID equals -1, shared memory address equals null. And the segment equals -1, I guess. Something like that. So is this a void cookie? Yes. I don't think that can fail, right? Oh, it can. That's cooked. I didn't know that. Yeah, it's really kind of fucked that I can't get rid of that. Can't get rid of that shared memory segment. It's just gonna be taking out memory. That's cooked, bro. I guess we go to free pixmap then. We'll do it here, whatever. So we want to attach that. Oh. No. Read only? No. I don't know why I chose XCB when I'm serializing everything, but you know, it is what it is. Okay. Can that fail? It can. Wait, can it? I think it can. It's not clear. Mull around to a multiple, sure. I don't really care, but sure, you can do that. It's fine. Oh yeah, schmat will fail if. So it returns -1, not null. That's... I don't know about that. I think it returns null. But it sounds like it returns -1. Schmat will return void star -1? That's crazy. Who wrote this? Okay. Sure. Schmat local. Right, so I need to do local address equals null, I don't care. And yeah, you can round it, and that's fine. Okay, so we want, nope, one couldn't map in shared memory. This feels backwards. Why are we mapping in the memory after we associate the ID? Does documentation say anything about this? This comes before this. It feels like the order's backwards. Next, attach it to the process. Then tell the server, yeah. This is interesting. I don't know if this is an xlib thing, or if I need to do this as well. Yeah, so we want to do this the other way. Unmap shm. Yeah. And then down here we want SID to be equal to local SID, address to be equal to local address, segment to be equal to local segment, and we want PID to be equal to PID. We can do that. Okay. So here is unmapped shared memory, and I think we just want to do this, right? Whoops. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. And there's nothing we can do if it fails. Okay. Very good. Undeclared function shamped. Very good. PID equals PID. Got him. Okay, fair enough. Okay. Okay, here we go. I think we can do this. And here we'll need the size, unfortunately. Ugh. Means we'll have to make another trip to the X server, I think, to ask for the geometry of the window. Which is kind of cringe. That's a very... What have I done? What am I doing? That's a very interesting point. If it fails, what do we do? Because if it fails, we have to fall back to the really slow method. I think for now, think about fallback. No. I'll leave that comment there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that yet. Here we have XCB shared memory segment T. Seg, here we have int sid and void char address. Yes, true. Where is this? This is in the map notify event. Okay. I should check I have the order of these things right. Oh, where's this? This isn't a recirculate? Do I really need to do that? I don't think I do. I think the only reason I was doing this on a recirculate is in case I tried to map the window when it wasn't on top, so I couldn't get all of its actual, like, fucking data. And so on a recirculate, I remapped it just in case more of the window was visible.